a tricycle today. That's me. I fit in it, a lot like a snail fits into his shell. It's not comfortable. It's loud. It's slow. But it's kind of a different experience. See, the other night, during the rain, the mud underneath the double kickstand on my motorcycle got too soggy, and it fell over right onto the pavement. After I righted the bike and turned it on the next day, it was idling very rough, and then once it starts going, it idles too fast. And I've been worried about it's going to damage the engine or the clutch. So today I decided I needed to get it fixed because honestly the motorcycle is kind of my life. If I can't get around, I'm kind of stuck. So you got to take care of these little things when they happen. And so that's why I'm in a tricycle. Headed to Sharon's resto bar for breakfast, and I'll head back to the repair shop, which is J&L on Taft Lawad and Barangay Uno, Diet. Almost there. This is the bypass for the Pan-Philippine Highway. This is actually headed south right now, and Sharon, my friend, has a restaurant here on the right-hand side, which if you want to eat. Stop. Thanks for watching. All right. Please like and subscribe. It's me crawling out like a hermit crab. Ugh. And it was 15 pesos.
How much?
15 pesos.
Thank you. Okay. That tricycle.